Many come for the beaches, but the real treasure is hidden beneath the waves. From shallow sounds to the open ocean, we're breaking down every fish you can catch in the Outer Banks. First up, Billfish, blue marlin, a true heavyweight champion of the deep sea. It puts up a legendary fight that stays with you forever. Up next, white marlin, famous for its acrobatic jumps. This fish is a top prize for offshore anglers who love a high-energy chase. Sailfish, the fastest swimmer in the entire ocean. Its massive fin looks stunning when it leaps out of the waves. Swordfish, a gladiator of the dark depths. It requires heavy gear and plenty of patience to bring this powerful creature to the boat. Continuing with tuna. Yellowfin tuna. Highly prized for both its speed and its flavor. It fights hard until the very last second. Up next, bluefin tuna, a massive powerhouse of the sea. Landing one of these giants is a dream come true for many serious fishermen. Blackfin tuna. Smaller than its relatives, but just as tough. It keeps the action steady and provides a fun challenge on lighter gear. Big-eye tuna. Hard fighting and deep diving. These fish are usually found far from the coast and offer a massive reward for your hard work. Skipjack tuna. Fast and very aggressive. These fish travel in large schools and hit the lure with incredible force. False albacore. Often known for being pure muscle, they will peel the line off your reel at an amazing speed. Next on the list is offshore and pelagic. Mahi-mahi. Vibrant colours and high leaps make this a local favourite. It is beautiful to look at and tastes even better. Wahoo, built strictly for speed. It strikes like a freight train and runs faster than almost anything else in the water. Cobia. Often found swimming near structures or large rays. It is a stubborn fighter with power that never seems to quit. Greater amberjack. Often called a reef donkey for good reason. This fish will test your strength and your tackle with its raw power. Now this is the lesser amberjack. Smaller than its cousin, but still a strong competitor. It provides excellent sport when you are fishing near the wrecks. Almaco jack. This deep-sea powerhouse is known for putting up a serious fight. It loves hanging around offshore wrecks and reefs. You will definitely feel the burn in your arms when reeling this one in. Banded rudderfish. These are often seen swimming alongside larger fish or following floating debris. They are smaller relatives of the amberjack. While they are not huge, they are quick and fun to catch on lighter gear. Jack crevalle. Talk about a relentless fighter. This species earned its reputation as the bulldog of the sea. They travel in schools and will smash your bait with incredible power. Up next, African pompano. This stunning silvery fish is a prize for any angler. It has a unique, flattened body and puts up a surprisingly strong resistance. Finding one of these is always a highlight of a trip offshore. Barracuda. With a mouthful of razor-sharp teeth, this predator is as intimidating as it looks. It is lightning fast and known for explosive strikes. Keep your fingers clear when you bring this one on board. Next, tarpon. Often called the Silver King, this massive fish is famous for its acrobatic leaps. It is a bucket list catch for many. Landing one requires skill, patience, and a lot of strength. Now let's look at mackerel. King mackerel. These are built for speed and are famous for their screaming runs. They are often called smokers because of how fast they pull line off the reel. Watch out for those sharp teeth during the handoff. Spanish mackerel. You will recognize these by the beautiful gold spots along their sides. They are fast-moving hunters that frequent the coastal waters. They are a blast to catch on light tackle right from the pier. The next one, Cerro mackerel. This is a less common visitor, but a welcome sight nonetheless. It looks like a mix between its cousins, with both spots and a distinct bronze stripe. It is a sleek and speedy swimmer that keeps you on your toes. Continuing with surf, pier, and inshore. Bluefish. These are high-energy predators with a serious attitude. They are known for their aggressive feeding frenzies. Make sure to use a wire leader or they will bite right through your line. Next, striped bass. Locally known as rockfish, these are a true staple of the winter fishing scene. They are heavy-bodied and love the cold, turbulent waters. Catching a big one in the surf is an experience you will never forget. The next one, red drum. This is the legendary state fish of North Carolina. Its shimmering bronze scales and distinctive tail spot make it easy to identify. It is a powerful surf feeder that every local angler dreams of catching. Up next, black drum. These are hefty bottom dwellers that love to crunch on crabs and shrimp. They are not the fastest swimmers, but their sheer weight makes them a challenge to move. You can often find them near bridges and oyster rocks. Florida pompano. This is one of the most delicious fish you can pull from the surf. They are small, but incredibly scrappy for their size. Look for them in the white water where the waves are breaking. Speckled trout. This beautiful fish is a favorite for those fishing the shallow sounds. It is known for the distinct black spots across its back and tail. It is a delicate fighter, but a very rewarding catch for a quiet morning on the water. Grey trout. These beautiful fish are known for their shimmering purple and gold scales. They put up a decent fight on light tackle. Many local anglers love catching them near the inlets. Sea mullet. You will often find these along the sandy shorelines in the surf. They are highly prized for their sweet and flaky meat. A simple bottom rig is all you need to bring them in. Atlantic croaker. This species gets its name from the loud drumming sound it makes when pulled from the water. They are incredibly common and fun for kids to catch. You can find them almost everywhere in the Sound. Spot. Look for the distinctive dark mark right behind the gills. These are a major favourite for fall fishing trips. They are small but absolutely delicious when fried up for dinner. Sheep's head. These clever fish are famous for their human-like teeth and striped bodies. They love to hang around pier pilings and eat barnacles. You have to be quick to set the hook because they are expert bait thieves. Atlantic spadefish. These striking fish feature bold black and silver stripes. They are powerful swimmers that usually gather around offshore wrecks and reefs. Catching one is always a highlight of any boat trip. Up next, northern puffer. This unique creature can puff itself up with air or water to scare off predators. Locals sometimes call them sugar toads because of their sweet taste. They are one of the most interesting looking fish in the area. The next one, oyster toadfish. With a grumpy face and strong jaws, this fish is a true character of the reefs. It spends most of its time hiding among oyster shells. Be careful when handling one because they are very tough. Pigfish. This little fish makes a distinct grunting noise that sounds a bit like a farm animal. While they are small, they are often used as excellent live bait for much larger predators. They are very common in the grassy flats. Pinfish. Watch out for the sharp spines on the back of this energetic swimmer. They are notorious for nibbling away at your bait before a bigger fish can get to it. They are incredibly hardy and found all over the coast. Silver perch. This small but shiny fish is often mistaken for a young trout or croaker. It has a beautiful pearly sheen that reflects the sun. They are quite active and usually travel in schools. White perch. This species thrives in the brackish waters where the rivers meet the Sound. They are very fun to catch with light spinning gear. They make for a very tasty meal at the end of the day. Hickory shad, known for their impressive jumps and high energy, these are a blast to catch. They migrate into the local waters during the spring months. Anglers love the challenge they provide on the line. The next one, American shad. This fish is highly valued for its delicious eggs and sleek silver body. They are quite fast in the water and put up a great fight. Catching one requires a bit of skill and patience. The next one, look down. This fish has an incredibly thin and flat body that looks just like a shimmering mirror. Its unique shape and steep forehead make it stand out from everything else in the ocean. They are truly a strange and beautiful sight. Lizardfish. These toothy little predators are often found resting on the sandy bottom. They have a prehistoric look and will strike at almost any bait that passes by their path. Sea robin. You might notice their unique wing-like fins and leg-like spines. They use these to crawl along the ocean floor and are known to make a strange croaking noise when caught. Stargazer. This unusual fish buries itself in the sand with only its eyes pointing upward. It can deliver a surprising electric shock to anything that gets too close to its hiding spot. Ribbonfish. Looking more like a shiny silver belt than a fish, these have long, thin bodies and very sharp teeth. They are often caught while trolling and are quite popular as bait for larger species. Moving on to flounder and bottom fish. Summer flounder. Often called fluke by the locals, these flatfish are absolute masters of camouflage. They hide on the bottom and wait patiently for a small meal to swim right over them. Southern flounder. These are a favourite for many anglers in the coastal waters. They have a dark top and a light belly, which helps them blend into the muddy bottom perfectly. The next one, Gulf flounder. Look closely for 3 distinct spots on the back of this flatfish. It loves to hang out near structures and is widely considered to be a fantastic choice for a fresh seafood dinner. Black sea bass. These are aggressive strikers that put up a great fight for their size. You will usually find them hanging out in large groups near shipwrecks and rocky artificial reefs. Gag grouper. This is one of the most common types of grouper found in the area. They are known for their mottled grey patterns and provide a very thick and tasty fillet. Red grouper. You can easily spot these by their reddish-brown colour and square tails. They prefer living in rocky holes and are a staple target for bottom fishermen. Snowy grouper. These deep water dwellers are known for the bright white spots on their dark bodies. They live in very deep offshore holes and are highly prized for their firm white meat. Now this is the scamp grouper. Many people consider this to be the best tasting fish in the entire ocean. Look for the jagged, broom-like edges on its tail to tell it apart from other grouper species. Next, Warsaw grouper. This is a true giant of the deep that can weigh hundreds of pounds. Pulling one of these massive fish up from the darkness is a huge challenge for even the strongest angler. Goliath grouper. As the name suggests, these are massive predators that can grow as big as a small car. They are a protected species now, so be ready for a quick and careful release if you hook one. Red snapper. This is perhaps the most famous reef fish in the entire Atlantic. Its bright pinkish colour and delicious flavour make it a top priority for almost everyone heading out on the water. Vermilion snapper. This bright reddish fish is a real crowd pleaser for offshore trips. They are often called beeliners because of how quickly they bite. You will love how they taste when cooked fresh. Mutton snapper. Look for the distinct black spot on the side of this clever fish. They tend to hang out near underwater structures and reefs. They are powerful fighters that will give your reel a workout. Lane snapper. These beauties are easy to spot thanks to their colourful pink and yellow stripes. While they might be smaller than others, they are always a welcome addition to the cooler. The next one, yellowtail snapper. A vibrant yellow stripe runs right down the side of this fast-moving species. They are very cautious, so you will need a light touch to fool them. They are incredibly fun to catch on light tackle. Next, Cubera snapper. This is the true giant of the group and can grow to massive sizes. They have incredibly strong jaws and sharp teeth. You better bring your heaviest gear if you plan on landing one. Blue line tilefish. These deep-water residents love to hide around muddy or rocky bottoms. They are quite distinctive with their elongated bodies and subtle blue markings. The meat is firm and tastes absolutely delicious. The next one, golden tilefish. Coming from the deepest parts of the ocean, these fish are a rare and beautiful sight. They have a stunning golden hue and a flavour that is often compared to lobster. Grey triggerfish. Watch out for their tough skin and the sharp spine that gives them their name. They are legendary for stealing bait right off the hook. You have to be quick to catch one of these clever fish. White grunt. You might hear a strange noise when you pull these up to the boat. They are famous for the grunting sound they make using their teeth. They are a reliable catch for any coastal angler. Next, red porgy. Often called silver snapper, these fish have a beautiful rose-coloured sheen. They are solid fighters for their size and provide a high-quality meal. You will find them in deeper offshore waters. Continuing with sharks. Sand tiger shark. Despite their rows of jagged teeth and intimidating look, they are generally quite sluggish. They are often found patrolling the shipwrecks along the coast. It is quite a thrill to see one up close. Sandbar shark. This is a very common sight for coastal fishermen. They are known for their high dorsal fins and heavy bodies. They provide a steady and powerful fight that requires plenty of stamina. Blacktip shark. These fast and energetic predators are famous for their high-speed runs. They often leap out of the water when hooked, making for an amazing show. They are a favourite for anyone seeking an adrenaline rush. Spinner shark. Much like their close relatives, these sharks are incredible acrobats. They are named for the way they spin through the air during a chase. Catching one is an unforgettable experience. Bull shark. This is one of the most powerful and unpredictable species you can encounter. They are incredibly strong and can even swim into freshwater areas. Landing one takes skill, patience, and heavy-duty equipment. Now this is the lemon shark. Notice the distinct yellowish tint on its skin. This species loves to hang out in the shallow surf or near coastal docks. It is a unique and exciting find for anyone on the water. Nurse shark. This bottom dweller is much calmer than most other sharks. It uses a strong suction motion to find food along the sandy floor. It feels very tough and leathery if you happen to get close. Up next, great hammerhead shark. Look for the massive and very tall fin on its back. This is the largest of its kind and puts up an incredible fight. It is considered a legendary catch in these coastal waters. Up next, scalloped hammerhead shark. The front of its wide head has a very distinct notched edge. These hunters are often found swimming in deeper offshore waters. They are strong swimmers and are very thrilling to hook on a line. Bonnethead shark. This is the smallest member of the hammerhead family. Its head is shaped more like a smooth shovel than a hammer. It loves to eat crabs and usually stays in very shallow water. Up next, shortfin mako shark. This is widely known as the fastest shark in the entire ocean. It is famous for leaping high into the air once it is hooked. You will definitely need heavy-duty gear to handle this speedster. Thresher shark. That incredibly long tail is impossible to miss. It actually uses that tail like a whip to stun its prey. It is a rare and spectacular sight for any fisherman to see. Atlantic sharp-nosed shark. This is a smaller shark that is often covered in tiny white spots. It is very common along the coast throughout the year. It is a great way for new anglers to practice their fishing skills. Smooth dogfish. You might hear local people call this a sand shark. It does not have any of the sharp spines found on its close relatives. It is a very frequent visitor to the surf and local piers. Spiny dogfish. Be very careful of the sharp spikes located near the dorsal fins. This species prefers cooler water and often travels in very large schools. It is a hardy fish that is quite fun to catch. To wrap things up, rays and skates. Clare-nosed skate. Check out the translucent patches on either side of its pointed nose. It has a flat and diamond-shaped body that glides right along the bottom. It is a very strange and beautiful creature to observe. The next one, southern stingray. This massive flat fish loves to hide under a thin layer of sand. It has a long tail and a very wide, heavy body. Landing one takes a lot of patience and steady pressure on the rod. Cownose ray. These swimmers often travel in huge groups right near the surface. Their heads have a distinct indent that looks a bit like the nose of a cow. They are powerful and will pull very hard. Bullnose ray. This species has a much more rounded snout than its other cousins. It is often found swimming near the beach or inside the inlets. It is a sleek swimmer that moves with a graceful flapping motion. Spotted eagle ray. Look for the striking white patterns across its dark back. These rays are famous for leaping completely out of the water. It is a truly spectacular sight to witness from a boat. Butterfly ray. This wide and shallow-bodied ray moves through the water with amazing grace. It has a very short tail and looks just like a giant pair of wings. It offers a unique challenge for anyone fishing the surf. Up next, Atlantic manta ray. This massive creature is a real titan of the sea. Its enormous size and sweeping fins are absolutely awe-inspiring. You will feel small and humbled when one of these giants passes by.